After reaching home, the boy forgot the girl. Now he was only looking a government job. He looked through every corner of the book. He memorized every word written on every page as if it was nectar. Despite working very hard, he did not get good marks. He became dejected. The ground started slipping from under his feet. He remained sad. One day, when an old man came to know the reason for his sadness, he said, "Son, you will not be able to succeed by studying in this school. You should take admission in a reputed school. There are well-educated and experienced teachers. You will be able to progress when you will learn from them." Now he went to the city and tried to take admission in the best school, but he did not get admission. He got disappointed. Then an idea came to his mind. He told a principal of the same city about his studies. The principal said, "It does not matter if you do not get admission in a reputed college. My father-in-law has a college. The education there is top-notch. I will get you admission in that college. If God wishes, your future will be bright." He got admitted in college. Now all he could do was study for 24 hours. Just like Laila Majnu has lost their senses to get their love. In the same way that boy became crazy about his studies. Now he became so fond of his studies that people would be astonished to see him. In the first year, he was able to pass with first position, i.e. 60% mark. But in the second year, he came first in his college. When he topped his college, in the third year too, University board started demanding him. Now seeing his destination come closer, he became restless. For further studies, he started requesting his principal to let him study abroad. The principal accepted his request and helped him a lot to go abroad for studies. When he reached abroad, he became Majnu there too and turned his studies into Laila. Seeing the Laila of his studies, a rich man's daughter fell in love with him. Now she was hell bent on pursuing him. The beauty of the girl was no less than that of a heroine. Yet the boy did not even look at her because he had his first love in his heart. When the girl got tired and upset, she told her mother what was in her heart. When the news of the girl's feeling spread in her house, the girl's family went to see the boy. The boy was engrossing in his studies like a saint. The girl's father went close to him and tried to get a lot of information about him, but the boy talked to him for only 5 minutes, and then he became silent in his studies. People got tired of asking him further, but the boy got so engrossed in his study that he did not notice anything. Once the boy needed some money and he started making arrangement for the money here and there, but all his arrangement failed. Then the girl's friend got a hint of this. Now she ran to the girl and told her everything. Now the girl made an excuse and went to the boy and asked about his well-being and said, "I don't have any big desire from you. I have come with the hope that I will also study. If you will help me a little bit in my studies sometime, it will be a great favor from you. I am ready to give you whatever you ask for in return of this kindness. I will do everything according to your wish. Whenever you want, I will not refuse to give it to you." Now the boy's heart was getting restless, but he was thinking how to tell his feeling to the girl. Then the girl said, "You are hiding something from me. If you need anything, say it without hesitation. See, this world is busy in its own work. some people come to help others. Promise you that I will not tell anything to anyone. This will remain a secret. Hearing all this, the boy said, actually, the thing is that these days I do not have money. My family members are stuck in some compulsion, and the money of the house got spent on that. Then the girl took out 20,000 rupees from her bag and put it in his hand and said, whenever you need anything, tell me, I will help you without hesitation. I don't want anything from you in return for your help. Here is my number. You can call me whenever you feel like it. Just be kind and give me your number. The girl said, good boy, and went to her home. Her face was glowing with happiness. Now she could see stars in the daytime. She went to her mother and said, today my magic has worked on him. Next I will make such a trap that I will imprison him in the cage of my love, and I will leave him only after making my love immortal by hiding this secret all my life.